Are you looking for a career in a company that you can grow with? Are you looking for a work environment where you are respected and treated like family? Then you might be a right fit to join our growing team. Some of the benefits of working for U.S. Cleaning Service include competitive starting hourly wage, part-time positions with up to 30 hours per week available to start, opportunity for full-time employment, flexible schedule available for some positions, mileage reimbursement program, bonuses for excellent performance, and comprehensive training and mentoring programs. Although we're growing at a rapid rate, we are selective in finding the right candidates to join our team. To be a right fit for our team, there are three big things we look for first. You must value honesty, integrity, and responsibility. These three things are not skills that we teach on the job. You either have these same values or you don't. We're believers that doing the right thing is always the right thing, no matter what. The way we treat our customers reflects those values, and it is the reason we are still around and growing more than ever. Aside from those values, there are two key rules that we want everyone in our company to follow. Number one is pretty much the golden rule, which is treat people the way you want to be treated. We're not a team because we work together. We're a team because we respect, trust, and care for each other. And number two is to maintain open communications with us and other team members. There's nothing that can't be resolved without an open line of communication from both sides. If you're going to be late or won't be able to make it to a job, there's nothing that should stop you from letting us know. If we're informed, we can handle the situation before it becomes a problem. For this reason, if you don't call and don't show up, we consider that an automatic termination. Apart from those key values and commitments, we also have the following requirements for our candidates. You must have more than 6 months of professional cleaning experience. You must have a smartphone with email, data, and GPS available. You must have your own working vehicle with proper insurance and a valid driver's license. You must be able to lift 35 pounds or more as needed. You must be able to stand, bend, and kneel to perform cleaning duties for 8 hours or more. You must be able to pass a criminal background check and drug test. You must be able to speak English. You must live in Brevard or Indian River County. And you must be legally authorized to work in the United States. Here are some things you can expect when you start working with us. We offer 2 different shifts. One is from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., which can include either homes or commercial offices. We also have night shifts ranging from 5 p.m. to 3 a.m., which are made up of mostly commercial offices. We will start you off part-time, and based on your performance and availability, we can fill your schedule to full-time if you'd like. We use special mobile apps and online tools to make it easy for you to make your own schedule and see your jobs for the week. All we ask is that you update your availability with a minimum of 2 weeks' notice so we can accommodate it. You will also use these mobile apps to clock in, clock out, and get the details on your specific job so you always know where you need to be and what you need to do. We start everyone off at $9.50 an hour for the first 90 days. Once we see that you're the right fit for our team, we will move you up to $10 an hour or more depending on your experience. We pay twice a month on the 1st and the 15th of the month. We also offer a mileage reimbursement program for the miles you drive on the job. You will be reimbursed the IRS mileage rate for every mile that you drive between each job for the day. We believe our personal appearance reflects the quality of our work in the eyes of our customers. For this reason, we provide you with your very own U.S. Cleaning Service shirts and aprons. The only thing we require you to wear to work are clean khaki or black pants and closed-toed shoes. We do not allow shorts, yoga pants, or open-toed shoes to be used as part of our uniform. Other than the uniform, we provide you with all the tools and equipment you will need to get the jobs done right. You will receive your very own vacuum, premium cleaning supplies, and all the rags you will ever need. We do require you to wash and reuse the rags you are provided. When you run out of supplies, just let us know and we will replace it for you. You are responsible for keeping your equipment clean and in working order. Faulty equipment should be reported to a supervisor immediately so we can get you back up and running as soon as possible. We are here to support you and make sure you have everything you need in order to do the job properly and make a difference in our customer's life. If you feel like you're a good fit for our team, we would love to have you apply. You can do so by going to our website at uscleaningservice.com/jobs. You will fill out the application and we will call you for a phone interview as soon as we have an opening. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. We look forward to meeting you.